Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today I want to talk about a feature in Easel that allows us to take circles in our design and convert them into drill holes. And this is just a really simple process, but it means we can design a project. If there are circles that we want to convert, it's really easy to do. So here I have this travel agency sign. In the four corners I have these circles, but I want them to be drill holes because it's going to go through my material and that's how I'm going to fasten my sign. So I'll select one circle, and when I select it, I can then right click on it and I'll get this drop down menu. One of the options will be convert to drill holes. When I do that, it converts my circle to a drill hole. If I want to select my entire project, I can then select on edit and convert to drill holes, and all the circles in my project are going to convert to drill holes. So that's a really great way if you want to do multiple circles or your entire project has circles that you want to convert to drill holes. It's really easy to do it by just selecting all, clicking edit, and then convert to drill holes. And that's a little bit more about how to convert circles to drill holes. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.